Today is going to be a really cool day. We are going to change what this looks like. I'm headed up to Grouse Mountain for a client shoot. I'll mainly be flying FPV and Mavic drones to capture a very special moment for Grouse.
Hi, dear. What's got a little? Oh, yeah. Get those dandelions. We got the Mavic 3 out here. Oh, something's up with the gimbal. There we go.
Oh.
All right.
What are we doing today, Joel?
We're filming a Guinness World Record.
Looks nice.
Okay, so
I'll show you where it's gonna be.
The people from Guinness didn't come out until the next day, but it did turn out to be a record, so that's pretty cool. We started by just grabbing a few quick establishing shots that I can use for transitions later on.
We're here to unfurl a giant Canadian flag.
So the flag itself, it's going to be the largest Canadian flag ever produced at 160 by 80 meters. And big shout out to our partner, Alan from Blast Media Print.
Then we started trekking down the mountain to get started.
yeah, I'm with you on that one.
But we'll spread ourselves down the line.
We got the drone crew over here getting some shots. What's up?
The process actually started pretty quickly. They basically pulled out this massive 3,000-pound flag out of a box on a crate, and this part went pretty smoothly, thankfully, because they had so many people there to help. I started on the Mavic for these close-up shots, then transitioned to my Red Kyte Micro-Whoop FPV drone for some flybys. After they finished walking the full flag down the hill, the next step was to unfurl it, and this part was a lot of stop and starts that took almost an hour of waiting on edge, trying not to miss the moment when they finally start moving this thing.
Yeah?
Whoa. Yes, yeah, no, that's perfect. Whoa. Nice, yeah, that's perfect. Approved.
Approved, hear that.
Finally, it happened, and I got so lucky with the perfect timing as they were all of a sudden pulling the flag across the hill. I only get about 3 to 4 minutes of flight time with this micro-whoop, and that's about how long it took for them to pull it mostly across the hill. Then I popped the Mavic up for some final hero shots.
That's insane.
I know, right?
That's exactly what I was picturing for this. Yeah, and I love the up too.
Yeah, the up was
The
great.
up is sick. Yeah.
I know I didn't get it with the Mavic, but which would have been
No.
clean, but this is funner.
I like this, and then we'll get the Mavic for like the hero shots.
Yeah, I got a
We can
bunch
do the
already.
Transition, like
Yeah.
this has more movement. I think this is sicker.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa.
Right.
With the above.
Yeah.
When I hear you going, that's sick. I know it's a good one. I started freaking out. I'm like, oh, it's happening.
It happened fast.
I should get shots too. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Approved.
Approved. There we go. You'll see it live tomorrow.
Unfurled. It's unfurled.
This was my little gear setup. Hero shots on the fast FPV to get some more exciting motion in the mix.
And the shoot is wrapped there. Pretty much, we got one more shot to go. It was a big success. We just had to walk back up the mountain.
The flag is unfurled.
So that's the word of the day, unfurled.
Unfurled. The great unfurling.
So now we are gonna get some food and edit this stuff as fast as possible. How'd you feel it went?
It was sick. The flag definitely got unfurled. No, it was awesome. Joel got some great stuff. Lots of FPV, lots of Mavic shots. It's gonna be sick.
You can see it from downtown Vancouver. We've had like a whole bunch of people sending us photos already from like downtown. So I'm curious if I'll be able to see it from home. All right, we're gonna go at it once we finish walking.
Hiking up this hill.
Quick post-production and
The final part of today's shoot is where we got sky helicopters coming to the helipad here at Grouse, and we're gonna get some unique shots no one else can get from a drone. Pretty excited. Doors off. First doors off?
First doors off.
All right. That sounds like our
I think
helicopter.
they're supposed to leave.
That's our sky helicopter. There it is. Sounds good.
jumping in a helicopter at the end of a day like this, very surreal. The perspective we were able to capture was unlike anything else and really showed off the scale of Grouse Mountain and the flag. The come down after such an exhilarating day is always a little weird, but I drove home and finished editing some more selects as we provided everything to the media the next morning at 5 a.m. So it was quite the rush. Thanks for watching. I'll have more updates from my studio and new products and all my normal content coming out shortly. See ya.